Hello dear students. So it's yet another Gandhi Jayanti, October 2nd. It's all a moment for us to reflect and get more inspiration from lives of Gandhi. In this video we will focus on 5 major takeaways for every aspirant on this Gandhi Jayanti. Let's get started. What is the first teaching that come to your mind on thinking about Gandhi? It's none other than truth and non-violence. What does truth and non-violence mean to an aspirant or a UPSC aspirant? Every one of you has came into this process or this examination journey with different objectives. Some of you might have came with the objective of power to make greater changes in the world, objective to serve the nation, objective to have a multidimensional career. Many factors have inspired you. But once you have decided and get into the process of UPSC preparation, there is only one truth for you. That is hard work and perseverance every single day. How many of you have set certain targets for tomorrow and continuously miss it? How many of you have set alarm at 5 o'clock, at 6 o'clock and continuously oversleep? First thing for every aspirant to avoid is avoid self-cheating. There is no shortcut to clear this examination. There is no easy pathway to reach success. You have to give yourself best day in and day out. And that remains the truth for every single UPSC aspirant. What next? You might have heard about the 3 monkeys of Gandhi. And this is one of the most important virtues, especially in present times. What exactly is 3 monkeys of Gandhi? It's nothing but see no evil, hear no evil and speak no evil. What it propounds the meaning of staying away from distraction, especially in a world which is having too easy access to social media, too easy, it is run by instant gratification. It's very totally difficult for aspirants or for anyone to get out of all this distraction. And this is something like a slow poison. It makes your efficiency fall, it makes your focus diverted, and it kills your time like nothing. Stay away from all distractions, be it social media, be it Cricket World Cup, be it IPL, be it any other habits that is taking away your focus and time from the preparation. Keep yourself away. Now the third most important factor, that is the message of cleanliness. Today you might have seen the picture or the video of Prime Minister itself getting into the cleaning of the roads, inspiring from Gandhi's message of cleanliness. Let's expand the message of Swachhata. Cleanliness is not about cleaning the roads or cleaning the nation. It's also about cleaning our minds. It's also about cleaning our contact. Let's inculcate this into our habits. For a UPSC aspirant, cleanliness means only one thing: having a clean routine and clean habit. How many of you have irregular sleeping patterns? How many of you sleep at 5 o'clock, sometimes at 10 o'clock, sometimes no sleep at all in the night? Again I am saying this is not a short-term journey you are in. You are in a long-term process, and it is quite important to have a higher efficiency level, to have a clean routine, have a clean habit. Build your routines, build your habits. Your success is nothing but not a one-time event, but a process. Get yourself into this. The fourth most important message, importance of self-reliance. So this journey itself, despite of having the length itself, has its own ups and downs. You might have seen yourself out at different stages, sometimes at prelims, sometimes at main, sometimes at interview. And it's always heartbreaking, it's always years of effort that is going to be culminated in one single PDF, in or out. So it itself has its own areas or times of having stress, having anxiety, having a lot of other issues. You need to have strong self-reliance. You need to have strong self-belief. You have to learn yourself, teach yourself to manage the stress. There is no escape path for everyone who is indulged in this journey. Get yourself acclimatized to this. Believe in yourself, believe in your ability to make the changes, whether it is in your life or whether it is in the nation. Going ahead, the fourth, fifth and the most important one, the idea of Sarvodaya. What does it mean? Means only one thing, that is welfare for all. When at the end of the day we are all one way or the other related to becoming a civil servant one day. And this is the one motto that should inspire action of every civil servant. That is recalled whenever you are in possession of taking a decision. Recall the face of the poorest and the most helpless person you have seen and ask yourself if this step you contemplate is going to be of any use to him. On this note, let's have a final look at the 7 deadly sins of modern times by Mahatma Gandhi. Wealth without work, pleasure without conscience, science without humanity. You might have related with the recent Oppenheimer movie. Knowledge without character, politics without principle, commerce without morality, and finally worship without sacrifice. It is a time for you to expand your ambit by acquiring more knowledge. But as importantly told, knowledge without character is nothing but a useless skill. On that note, with this message of Gandhi, let's conclude the class. A person cannot do right in one department whilst attempting to do wrong in other department. Life is one indivisible whole. So if you want to go ahead in your life, you have to go ahead in every dimensions of life. Take your life as a whole. Take your preparation as a whole. And get yourself ahead in every dimensions of the life. On that note, thank you so much and all the best.